Hello.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, students. This is Rudra Mohanty. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Very good evening. Today we'll. Are you listening me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today will I'll teach you the marginal costing. Uh, what is marginal costing? Why it is a cost related subject, and by which we can plan our production, and how much will production, how much sale we can make, so that we can earn maximum profit. Marginal costing, that is other word is economies of sale. That means the more you sell and more you produce, your fixed cost will be reduced, your total cost will be reduced to a certain extent. Suppose you will produce, that will be remain cost, your fixed cost will remain constant up to 100% of production. Suppose you are producing one unit and your fixed cost is 10 lakh, and your variable cost is 10,000. What will be your cost of production? You are producing one unit. Hello,
1 lakh
please
10,000.
answer me.
1 lakh 10,000.
Good. 1 lakh 10,000. Fixed cost is 1 lakh and 10,000 is variable cost. Then what is fixed cost? What is variable cost? Hello. Fixed cost means the cost which remain fixed over a period of time. That means up to 100% capacity, if it will produce, then it will remain fixed. If it will cross 100%, then it will vary. Then what is variable cost? Again, I will tell you what is the fixed cost. Example: suppose your administrative expenses, your office is one, your administrative expenses. Administrative expenses means rent of building, rent of office, lighting of office, and salary of office manager, salary of managing director, salary of directors, then depreciation of office building, depreciation of office building only. All these things are, you can take printing stationery and staff welfare, all these expenses which is incurred in head office, that is fixed cost. And what is variable cost? Variable cost will change the proportionate to the change of production. Suppose you are producing, suppose you are producing, uh, take it, you are producing a cold drinks, then you need some water and you need some added flavor and sugar and all that, and it will vary with each liter of production, is not it? I'll give you another example, you can understand better. Suppose in your class, how many students are there? Take it 50 students are there. They want to go for a picnic, right? And the two type of expenditure will be incurred. One, you will hire a bus. The bus cost is, take it 10,000. You will go for a picnic That may be your Nandankanan. Your fees cost will be your bus, and up to 50 bus capacity is 50 student can accommodate in that bus. And your variable cost is your lunch. You are taking lunch and breakfast, whatever, and that will be expended 500 rupees. Suppose only one student agreed to go for picnic. What will be the cost? Tell me.
Bus cost will be the same, means the cost will be same.
Bus cost will be same, 10,000, right? And one student, if one student agreed to go for a picnic, he has to pay. It is theoretical. I am saying you theoretically. Suppose one student agreed to go for picnic, he will have to pay 10,000 bus cost and another 500 for his lunch. That is total cost he will bear 10,500. Am I correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
10,500. Suppose 50 students will agree to go for picnic. What is the cost per one student? Tell me. Hello? Who will say?
Boss
Sir,
cost will
10,000, sir, 12,500 is the total cost, and then divided by 50 is the per student cost.
12,500 is the total cost. What is
Yeah,
the cost per one student?
250, sir.
Huh? Huh? Again, come again.
Sir, 250.
No, wrong. You are calculating wrongly.
2,500, I guess. Yeah.
Huh? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. We are able to hear you.
Please come again. See, fees cost is 10,000 and variable cost is per head it is 500 rupees. Then total cost will be how much? 500 into 50.
35.
500 into 50, right? 500 into 50 will be how much?
25,000.
25,000. Am
Yeah.
I correct?
Yeah. Sir, per student cost will be 2,500.
Bus rent is 10,000.
700.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, continuous.
Bus rent is 10,000. Variable cost, launch cost is 500 per person. Suppose 50 students agreed to go for picnic.
700, sir.
Who says 700?
Sir, me.
Who says 700?
Sir, me, Prabhu.
Yes, sir. 700.
700 is correct. See, here when one student agreed to go for picnic, he has to bear 10,500. When the quantity increases, your total cost will increase, but your cost per student will be reduced. Is not it? Hello,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Are you getting my point? One student bears. See, if 25 student will agree to go for picnic, what will be the cost? 25 student agree to go for picnic. What will be the cost per student?
Sir, 350.
Yes, Hello.
Sir, 900.
How much? 900.
Yes, sir.
Correct. 900 is correct. Correct answer. Again, hello. See, if 25 one student will agree to go for picnic, he has to incur 10,500. If 25 students agree to go for picnic, they have to incur 900. If 50 students agree to go for picnic, they have to
Sir,
incur
there is an echo.
700 per student. What do you understand? That means when our production will be more, your cost per unit will be reduced. Hello. Anyway, then we'll discuss what is the marginal cost. Marginal cost means amount at any given volume of output by which aggregate cost has changed if volume of output increased or decreased by 1 unit.
Excuse
That
me, sir, it
means,
is not audible, sir. It is echoing and very disturbing, sir.
please come again.
Sir, echo is coming from your sound.
Echoing, sir. Please, somebody has unmute them.
Sir,
Hello.
mute Dipsy.
Hello.
Yes,
Please
sir.
come again.
Now it's fine. Now it's fine.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
it's
sir.
fine now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is marginal cost? Marginal cost means the amount at given volume of output by which aggregate cost has changed if volume of output increase or decrease by 1 unit. Suppose your volume will increase by 1 unit, your variable cost will be changed. Suppose you are incurring in 1 liter of cold drinks, that is variable cost is say 1 rupees. Suppose you are producing 10,000 liter of cold drinks, what will be the variable cost? Hello?
10,000 rupees.
10,000, correct. Variable cost will be 10,000. Suppose their fixed cost is like 1 lakh rupees. Then what will be the total cost?
1,10,000.
1,10,000. Then what is the cost per unit?
1,10,000 by 10.
1,10,000 by 10,000. That is 11 rupees per liter. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
11 rupees per liter. Suppose they are producing 20,000 liter. What will be the cost per liter? Please tell me.
$21.
5.5.
Wrong.
6.
Wrong. Fixed cost is how much? 1 lakh. Variable cost is 1 rupees per liter. Total cost will be how much?
1,20,000.
Correct. Then 1,20,000 per liter cost will be how much?
Per liter 6, sir.
Right, 6. Suppose you are producing 10,000 liter, the cost per unit is 11 rupees. When you produce 20,000 liter, your cost per unit is 6 rupees. What happens to the cost? Why does it reduce? Because your fixed costs remain fixed and variable cost changes with proportion to the production. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then here we'll discuss what is sale, what is variable cost, what is fixed cost, then what is total cost. Do you understand all these things? You know, sale price per unit. Do you understand that? Sale price per unit minus variable cost per unit will be contribution per unit. Do you remember? Please write it down. SP minus VC is equal to C, that means contribution. Sale price per unit minus variable cost is equal to contribution per unit. Write it down. Suppose sale price is 100 rupees and variable cost is 50. What is contribution?
950.
50 rupees is the contribution. What is contribution? Contribution means after variable cost after deducting variable cost from sale, we get contribution. Contribution is the thing which consists of fixed cost and profit. Suppose your contribution is 50 per unit. How much you have to produce to set up a fixed cost of 10,000 rupees, where there will be no profit, no loss. ₹50 your contribution.
20.
What is the fixed cost I told?
20.
20 unit.
Yes, sir.
I told you fixed cost is 10,000 rupees, I think.
Yes, sir. Fixed cost is 20.
Hello? Yes, I told you fixed cost is 10,000 rupees and your contribution is 50. How much contribution you need to get? How much unit you need to sell so that your contribution will be 10,000? 10,000 by 50,
200.
that is 200. Correct? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Correct. Then suppose you are selling 50 unit, you are selling 200 unit, your variable cost already has been absorbed because you have already deducted from 100, your sale price is 100 and variable cost is 50. Now your contribution is 50 and your total fixed cost is 10,000 rupees. When you are producing uh, 10,000 unit, what will be your total cost? Please tell me. What will be your total cost?
Repeat one, sir.
Suppose your selling price is 100. Your variable cost is 50 rupees. And your total fixed cost is 10,000 rupees. And you are selling 200 unit. What is your sell price? What is your cost price? Tell me. Cost sell price per unit is 100.
तो ମୁଁ କିଛିଟା କଟିଲି ତୁ ପିନ୍ଧି ରହିଛୁ ସେଟା
Allah Saurabh, please mute yourself.
Hello. What is your sell price? Just tell me. What is your sell price? Total sell. How much your total sell?
15,000.
Sale price is 100 and you are selling 200 unit.
20,000.
20,000.
20,000. And your variable cost will be
10,000. That is 30,000.
10,000. Your fixed cost is
10,000.
your fixed cost is how much?
10,000.
10,000. Then your sale is 20,000. Your total cost is your sale is 20,000. Your total cost is
20,000, sir.
20,000.
correct. Your sale is 20,000. Your total cost is 20,000. How much profit you gain by selling 200 unit?
0.
Hello.
Sir, 0 as selling price and
0. That 0 means you are earning no profit, no loss. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then there is what is sale, that is also cost. That means that point is when you are selling 200 unit, there is no profit, no loss. That is known as break-even point. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Where there is no profit, no loss by selling 200 unit, there is no profit, no loss. Then this is known as break-even point. What is the formula of break-even point? Please write down. Fixed cost divided by total fixed cost divided by contribution per unit is known as break-even point.
Sir, repeat please.
Fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Correct?
Okay.
You can write in other way also. Fixed cost divided by sale price minus variable cost per unit. Correct? Wrote it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose you are producing, your fixed cost is here, put the formula, you write it, everything, please write it. Sale price per unit is equal to 100 rupees. Variable cost per unit is equal to 50 rupees. Then contribution is equal to sale per unit minus variable cost is equal to contribution per unit is equal to 50. Your fixed cost is 10,000 rupees. Write it down. Then tell me by putting formula what is your break-even point?
$200.
Are you doing?
200.
How much?
200.
200.
Correct, 200. Suppose I will give you another sum. Please do it. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Sir,
going to
can
give you
you-
another sum.
Sir,
That
can you
is,
repeat the second formula for break-even point? Fixed cost divided by sell price minus.
please write down the sum. Your sale price is 200 rupees. Sale price per unit is equal to 200. Variable cost per unit is 120. Fixed cost is 8 lakh rupees. Hello,
Yes, sir. Written.
wrote it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your sale price is 200, variable cost is 120, and your fixed cost is 8 lakh rupees. Please tell me what is the break-even point?
10,000.
Yes,
10,000.
correct. Good. 10,000 is break-even point. Please do another sum. Your fixed cost is 50 lakh rupees. Your selling price is 500 rupees. Your variable cost is 250. What is the break-even point?
Sir, 20,000.
Hello? Hello?
20,000.
Correct. 20,000. 250 into 20,000, how much? 50 lakhs. Hello? 250 into 20,000, that is 500 into
Yes, sir.
10,000. 500 into 10,000. Correct. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 20,000.
20,000. 20,000 is your
Yes, sir.
break-even
20,000.
point. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I'll tell you another. Now you are clear what is break-even point. Okay. Then please tell me here what is the break-even sale? Break-even point means you are producing 20,000 unit so that there is no profit, no loss. Correct? What is your sale then? Break-even sale. What is the break-even sale? This is break-even point. You are telling me the quantity, the unit. What is the break-even sale? Break-even sale means the break-even unit into sell price per unit. Here break-even sale will be break-even point, that is 20,000 into 500. That will be how much? 1 lakh rupees. Sorry, 50 lakhs means 1 crore rupees. Is that correct? Any doubt?
Sir, not understood.
Please. Any doubt?
Sir, not understood. Please repeat.
See, now you're clear about break-even point. We are just break-even point means it is quantity only. When you produce 20,000 unit, there is no profit, no loss. Then I'm just asking. Suppose you are selling one unit, it is 500. You are selling 20,000 unit. What will be the sale? So total sale per unit is 500. Total sale will be 20,000 into 500. That will be how much?
1 crore.
Is that 1 crore? Correct. That is 1 crore. Okay. Then suppose I want to first take that sum first. That is selling price is 100, variable cost is 50, and your fixed cost is 10,000. Take that sum. Okay. I repeat it. Your selling price is 200, your variable cost is 50, your fixed cost is 10,000. Here you need to produce 200 unit to get the break-even point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I will tell you to make a profit of 2,000. What sale we have to make? What is the number of quantity you need to sell? That formula is fixed cost plus profit divided by contribution per unit. Please write it down. To get the required profit, the formula is fixed cost plus profit divided by contribution per unit. Please write it down. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, written, sir.
Wrote it.
Yes, sir.
Madhusmita, you wrote it?
Yes, sir. I wrote it, sir. It is fixed cost plus
Okay.
profit.
Suppose just find out the things. Suppose your fixed cost is 10,000 rupees. You need profit that is 2,000. Then how much sale you need to do so that you get a profit of 2,000? I'm asking you in quantity.
60.
Yeah, no, not 60.
Sir, 600.
What is the quantity you need to sell? That is 10,000 plus 2,000 divided by 50.
240.
6,000, sorry, 10,000 plus 2,000 divided by 50. How much?
240.
240.
40.
240, sir.
240? No.
Yes, sir.
Is it
240.
240?
Yes, sir. 240.
240. But 1,200 divided by 1,200 divided by 50. How much?
50 is equal to 240.
Do you have calculator with you?
24, sir.
24,
No,
sir.
24. 240 it will be.
240, sir.
240 is correct. 240 you need to sell so that your profit will be 2,000 rupees. Please calculate in other way. Find out total sale, find out variable cost, total variable cost, find out total fixed cost, then just deduct total sale, deduct cost from total cost from total sale. Is that profit is 2,000 rupees? Can you do that? Brajesh,
Yes, sir. Doing.
hello. You
Yes.
are to earn a profit of 2,000. You have to sell 240 unit. Okay. Then what is the total sale? What is the total sale price?
Sir, 24,000.
24,000. Correct.
24,000. 24,000.
Correct. What is your variable cost then?
12,000.
12,000. Correct. What is your fixed cost?
10,000.
10,000. Then what is your profit?
12,000.
2,000. Okay.
2,000.
Are you getting my point? Are you clear
Yes, sir.
now?
Yes, sir. 2,000.
Okay. Then another, I'll give you another sum. The SP is, write it sell price SP. SP is equal to 400. Variable BC is equal to 100. Fixed cost is equal to 3 lakh. You need a profit of 30,000. How much unit you need to sell? Please tell me what I told you. I maybe forget because I am telling you. Please, I told you that selling price is 400. Correct?
Sir, 1100 units.
Just a second. Selling price is 400. Per unit is 400. Then variable cost is 100. Then fixed cost is 3 lakh rupees. And you need a profit of 30,000. What is the unit to produce to earn a profit of 3,000 or 30,000?
1100, sir.
11,000. 11,000.
Correct. Very good.
11,000.
Very good. Who is Smriti? Smriti, are you a commerce student?
No, sir, I'm BSc.
You are a BSc.
Yes, sir.
You are understanding, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am
Sir,
very happy
sir,
I am very happy that you can understand.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
So
one question.
formula. Now I will tell you 2-3 problems that you can solve.
Sir, one question. In this one, 1100 units will be there or 11,000 units will be there?
I think the formula is what? Your fixed cost is 3 lakhs rupees, right? 3 lakh rupees plus your profit is 30,000, right? 3
Yes, sir.
lakh 30,000 divided by your contribution per unit is how much?
300.
300.
Rajesh,
300.
300, sir.
300. 3 lakh 30,000 divided by 300 will be how much?
1100, sir.
Sir, 1100, sir.
Correct. What do you understand by that? By selling 1100 unit, you are earning a break even. You are earning a profit of 30,000. Then what is the break even point? Smriti,
1,000 units.
huh? What is the break even point?
1,000 units,
Sir,
sir.
1000.
1,000. Suppose
1,000.
we are selling 900 unit. Will there be any profit?
No, sir. There will be loss.
Now in this problem, when you are selling 1100 unit, there is a profit of 30,000. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When you are selling 1,000 unit, there is a no profit, no loss, break even. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When we are selling 900 unit,
No
will
profit,
there
sir.
be profit or loss?
Loss.
Correct. Please tell me what is the loss. Please tell me what is the loss.
Sir, 30,000 loss.
30,000 loss. I need to do it because just do it in my way. As what is your total sale? 900 into 400, 36,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Then your fixed cost is
3 lakh.
no. I'm doing somewhere wrong. Your total sale is how much?
Sir, 3
That
lakh
is
60,000.
900 into 400 is how much?
3,60,000.
3 lakh
3 lakh
60,000.
60, right? Your variable cost is how much?
90,000.
100. That is 100 into 900. That is 90,000, I think. 90,000.
Yes, sir.
The 3,000, 3 lakh 60, 3 lakh, 3 lakh 60 minus 90,000 is how much? What is your contribution then? 3 lakh 60 minus 90,000. That is 2 lakh 70. Your contribution. Okay. Smruti, please tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your contribution is?
2,70,000.
But your fixed cost is?
3,60,000.
3 lakh. Because whatever contribution is lesser than your fixed cost, you are unable to meet your total cost. So when your total cost, here your total cost is how much? 3 lakh plus 3 lakh 60. No. I'm doing some error. Your selling price is how much? 3 lakh 60. Your total cost is how much? 3 lakh plus 90. 3 lakh 90 is your total cost. Are you getting my point? Your
Yes, sir.
total cost is how much?
Sir, VC plus fixed cost, that is 3,90,000.
3 lakh 90, 94. 3 lakh 90. Your fixed cost is 3 lakh and variable cost is 90,000. 3 lakh 90 is your total cost. Total cost is 3 lakh 90 and your selling price is 3 lakh 60. So you are incurring a loss of 30,000. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you find out by putting the formula? Hello? What is the break-even point? Can you find out over here? What is the break-even point?
Sir, break-even point we find out earlier was 1,000.
Break-even point is same, 1,000. That's all. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Brajesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's right.
1,000 rupees because our problem is same. Don't be confused. Our problem
Yes,
is
sir.
same.
Yes, sir. That will be simple.
Our when we are selling 1,100, our profit is 30,000. When we are selling 900, our loss is 30,000. When we are selling 1,000, there is no profit, no loss. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Smriti, are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then another thing we'll discuss. Now you are clear about break-even point, contribution, then formula, how to get required amount of profit, required amount of quantity to get certain amount of profit. Now you are clear. You can put formula over there. Another thing is that is CS ratio, contribution sales ratio. Contribution sales ratio means contribution by sale into 100. Please write it down. Please write it down.
Sir, repeat please.
Contribution by sale into 100. Correct? Then write the formula. To get break-even sale, the formula will be fixed cost divided by CS ratio, profit volume ratio. It is also known as profit PV ratio. CS ratio or PV ratio. This is known as PV ratio, profit volume ratio. Smriti wrote it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. PV ratio means profit volume ratio. It is contribution by sale. Okay. Then write the formula. Here earlier we have discussed break-even point. Now we will discuss break-even sale. Now we will discuss break-even sale. Break-even sale formula is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Then please put the formula here. Please find out the break-even sale in case of this problem. What is your PV ratio then? 100 divided by your contribution is how much? 300.
300.
No. That is 400 minus variable cost is 100. Your contribution is 300. 300 by 400 divided by into 100. That is 75%. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Brajesh,
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
PVR ratio are you saying? Contrib by sale into 100?
contribution by sale. Contribution means sale price per unit minus variable cost is your contribution.
Yeah.
Contribution by same sale. Suppose your sale is 400 rupees and your variable cost is 100 rupees and 400 minus 100 divided by 400 into 100 is equal to 75%. Your CS ratio or profit volume ratio is 75%. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Then put the formula over there. Your fixed cost is 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh rupees divided by PV ratio, that is 75%. Tell me what is your break-even point? Break-even sale. I mean break-even sale.
4 lakh.
4 lakh, sir.
4 lakh. Rajesh, it is 4 lakh. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just divide 4 lakh by 1000. How much? Sale price will be 400 only. Are you getting my point? Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It will come as a sale
Correct,
price.
na? So same, suppose you need to earn a profit of 30,000, then fixed cost plus profit by PV ratio. Do it. What is the required sale to get a profit of 30,000? Put the formula over there. That is 3 lakh plus 30,000 divided by 75%. lakh 60 divided by 75,000. 75%.
Sir, 4,40,000.
4 lakh 30,000. 4 lakh, is it correct?
Sir, 4,40,000.
Please use calculator. I don't have here. I don't have calculator. That is 4 lakh 40.
Yes, sir.
4 lakh 40 is correct. 4 lakh 40. Is it okay? Shruti, have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Your answer is? Hello? What is your answer? Hello, Smriti.
Four lakh
Are you
40.
listening me?
Hello.
Are you getting the answer?
Yes, sir. 4,40,000.
Correct. Then do another sum. Your selling price is 500 rupees. Variable cost is 300 rupees. And your fixed cost is 10 lakh, take it 5 lakh rupees. What is the break-even sale? Please repeat the sum. Smriti, please repeat what I told you.
Sale price is 500.
Sale price is 500. Then variable cost is
Variable cost is 300, sir.
300. Then fixed cost is
5 lakh.
5 lakh. Then what is your break-even sale? What is the PB ratio?
Sir, 40.
40, sir.
40%, right?
40. Yes, sir.
40%. Then what is your break-even sale?
Sir, 1,25,000.
What is your break-even sale?
1,25,000, sir.
125,000.
Wrong.
12,50,000.
Wrong.
12 lakh.
I told you the fixed cost is 5 lakh. 5 lakh divided by PB ratio, that is 40%.
Say 12,50,000.
How much?
Sir,
What is
2 lakh.
break-even sale?
Sir, 12,50,000. Yeah.
12
Correct.
lakh 50,000. 12 lakh 50,000.
12 lakh 50,000 it will be.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Then in same sum, suppose we want to earn a profit of 1 lakh. What is the required sale? What will be the required sale? That means fixed cost is 5 lakh plus 1 lakh divided by PV ratio. Do it.
Fifteen lakh.
15 lakh, sir.
Good. Very good. Is it Saraswati?
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
Sir, 15 lakh.
Okay. How did you do it?
5 lakh fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio.
5
PV
lakh
ratio
plus
1 lakh divided
right.
by 40%. 40% is equal to 15 lakh.
Good. That will be the answer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any queries? Please ask me. Any query? Hello. Do you have any query?
Sir, contribution sales ratio is same as profit volume ratio.
Same thing.
It's both
What
same.
is CS ratio? That is PV ratio. The formula is sale price per unit minus variable cost per unit by sale price per unit into 100.
Into 100.
That means contribution divided by sale into 100.
Into 100.
That means when you are taking contribution per unit, you will divide by, that will be divided by sale per unit. When you will take total contribution, you will divided by, it will be divided by total sale. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Then do another sum. Selling price is 800 rupees. SP is 800. VC is 300. Then fixed cost is 10 lakh. What is the break-even point? How much sale we need to do to earn a profit of 2 lakh? Do it. And please follow the books or your assignment after this class, unless you will forget everything. Or you should write it down very proper way so that you can remember it subsequently. Prepare a note for that. What is your, are you doing this, Smriti? Are you doing this problem?
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
What is your PV ratio?
62.2.
62.2. That means uh, 100 divided by 8 into 5. Have you done in that way?
Yes, sir.
Then it's correct. Then what is your fixed cost? Fixed cost is 10,000 rupees. 10
lakh.
lakh rupees.
10 lakh.
10 lakh divided by, to get the that is break-even sale, you have to 10 lakh divided by 62.5 na percent. That will be the break-even sale.
62.2.
To earn a profit of 2 lakh,
12 lakh.
to earn a profit of 2 lakh, 10 lakh plus 2 lakh divided by 62.5%. Hello, students. Have you done it? Rajesh,
Yes, sir.
are you doing?
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
It is a little bit difficult because your percent, what is the
It's
CS
in
PV
percentage.
ratio is coming in
19,000
decimal,
Decimal.
to
right?
Yeah.
19.60.
That may be difficult. You calculate it by calculator. You can
Yes,
get
sir.
the answer.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes, please.
Sir, 19,29,260.
19,260.
Yeah, that may be correct. Because I'm just asking question from my mind. I can calculate over here. Now,
Decimal
there
number.
are number of things are there in that is profit volume analysis. That is break-even chart also there. Break-even
Sir,
chart is
1
there.
lakh 20,000.
That is another thing is your uh, break-even chart. What is break-even chart? You will depict it in the chart paper, chart graph paper. Can you depict it in graph paper?
Yes, sir.
It is this is the disadvantage of online classes.
How, sir? Yes.
Then another thing is do another question. The selling price is the total sale is 50 lakhs rupees. Variable cost is 10 lakh rupees. Fixed cost is 30 lakhs rupees. What is the profit?
Sir, 10 lakh.
That means, Brajesh, are you a commerce student?
No, sir. This is direct question, na? Fixed
What is
cost
your
plus
background
variable
then?
cost. Sir, I'm an engineer.
You are an engineer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I'll tell you another thing, that is margin of safety. That is margin of, what is margin of safety? Margin of safety means total sale minus break-even sale is your margin of safety. Please write it down. Please write it down. Margin of safety is equal to total sale minus break-even sale. Smriti, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Then another formula is there. This is the one formula. I'll tell you another formula. Margin of safety means, another formula is your profit divided by PV ratio. Margin of safety, second number formula. That is profit divided by PV ratio. Then formula number 3, margin profit divided by contribution per unit. That is margin of safety in units. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Suppose here your profit is 2 lakh rupees. I forgot that. Say sale price is 100 rupees and variable cost is 50 rupees and your profit is 5 lakh rupees. What is your margin of safety?
Sir, how much is the fixed cost?
Sale price is 100 rupees. Variable cost is 50 rupees. Your profit is I think I told you 1 lakh rupees.
Profit 2 lakh,
Sir,
sir.
5 lakh.
I told you 5 lakh. Take it 5 lakh.
Profit 2 lakh, sir. Fixed cost 5 lakh.
Okay, fixed cost 5 lakh, profit 2 lakh. Right?
Yes, sir.
Your selling price per unit is 100. Your variable cost per unit is 50. Your fixed cost is 5 lakh. And your profit is 2 lakh. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Here, you need to find out margin of safety. Can you
Sir,
find out?
4,000.
Huh?
4,000, sir.
But is that Brajesh?
Yes, sir.
Is that Brajesh or who? Who
Yes,
is
sir.
saying
Brajesh.
4,000?
Brajesh, sir. 4,000.
4,000 is correct.
Yes, sir.
Your 4,000 unit or what?
Unit.
Unit.
Sell unit, profit unit given, na, sir. So it comes in unit.
You just tell me break even. That is 2 lakh. That will be 4 lakh. Your margin of safety in amount will be 4 lakh.
Total sale.
Okay. Brajesh. Hello.
Sir, how 4 lakh?
4 lakh. 2 lakh. 2 lakh your profit divided by PV ratio. PV
Yes,
ratio
sir.
is 50%.
Yes, sir.
2 lakh divided by 50% is equal to 4 lakh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
Then margin of safety in unit 4 lakh divided by 2 lakh divided by 50.
50.
That will be how much? 40,000.
Yes, sir.
Put the formula, you can get everything.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. Then to students, tomorrow we'll discuss the financial analysis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Financial analysis means ratio analysis.
Hello.
Yes. Please.
Sir, one more question.
Please.
Sir, this is account subject. So it will be not understand without blackboard. Sir, so use blackboard in video call.
Please, who is saying is Janti, I think.
Yes, sir. So this is account subject. It will be not understand without blackboard. So properly use it blackboard in video call.
I don't have sufficient facilities to use all these things. I can't use. Sorry. Whatever institute told me, I am doing in that way. Okay.
So sir,
You have
this
to.
is account subject.
It is not at all possible to teach students in a chapter. It will take 2 to 3 months to teach. I am finishing it within one class. Just remember, if you will go through your book and your study material, you can understand. I'm ensure you, if you have listened me properly, you must understand it.
Sir, I
If
told
you
him
can't
it's
understand,
better. Sir, I
See,
told him I
if you can't
better understand
understand,
accounting subject.
sorry,
Hello? Sir, I
yes,
told him I better understand so account subject with blackboard.
you have to understand. It is our limitation. What can I do then? It is our
Yes, sir.
limitation. I can't do anything more.
Yes, sir.
The system, your institute has done this. I can't do anything.
Yes, sir.
I am sorry for that.
Hmm.
You have to understand wherever you can't understand, please ask me. I will answer you. I will make you understand the things. Other students are understanding. Why are not you understanding the things? Because you
No,
may
no,
not
no, no.
listen the
Two
things
student are
properly.
understand. Two student are telling your class, or other student have silent and not tell me.
You have to come forward. You should focus yourself. Come forward and ask the question. If you can't understand this, you can't understand in offline class also.
Sir, it
I
is
am very
not
much sorry.
clearly observe it.
You just complain in the institute. Please do that. Sorry. I will take your class tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.